Welcome back. The stall owners at Immaculate Conception Feast at Margao complained of harassment by shopper collector. They say that the shopper collector claims extra tax from the stall owners. They led a delegation to Margao chairperson and demanded action against the illegality. Chairperson has assured action against the shopper collector.
The stall owners at Immaculate Conception Feast at Margao led a delegation to Margao municipality on Tuesday. The sellers demand that the shopper should be collected in the municipality. Shopper collectors should not visit their stalls at the feast as it leads to harassment.
आमकां इतलेंच सांगपाक आयिल्लें आमी की थंय 100 स्टॉल अलॉट केल्या थंय 250-300 स्टॉलां आसा आनीक ते सोपेवाले येवन आमकां इतले सतायता की तुमी 15,000 दिया नाजाल्यार आमचें कितें सामान बिमण आसा तें उखलून गाडयेन घालता आनी घेवन वयता. तेका लागून आमी येयल्या की सांगपाक की तुमी जो इन्स्टॉलमेंट आसा तो हें घेता पळय तुमी टॅक्स ते घेता ते हांगा घेया तुमी म्युनिसिपालिटीन एकूच फावटी थंय सोपेवाले आमकां नाका. फेस्ट फेरेन आमकां ते सोपेवाले कोण येवपाचे नाका. जी फी आमकां भरपाची लागता म्युनिसिपालिटी एरियेन ती हांगा म्युनिसिपालिटीन तुमी घेया.
The MMC chairperson has assured an inquiry in the matter.
कित केला आतां ते शॉप ओनर आम फोन मारलो तेका आउट ऑफ कवरेज येयल्या तेका आमकां आतां उलोवपा मेळना आनी तेका आमी आतां सगळ्यां भितर तेका पळयना आनी तेका आमी तेजे हें करतले इन्क्वायरी करतले तेका म्हणजे तुवें खरें तेका मायज गेला कितें तें आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी तेका सांगतले तूं कायद्या भायर आनी कांय करूंक मेळपाना.
Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
Vasco Sports Club's Goa River Marathon will turn 5 this Sunday. The organizers are delighted with the growing participation in their annual half marathon as well as 10-kilometer events. Around 2,000 road runners have already registered for the half marathon and 10-kilometer run. Athletes from 18 countries are taking part in the 5th edition of G.R.M. Cash prizes worth 6 lakh rupees will be on offer.
We are now 4 days away from the 5th edition of the Goa River Marathon, which will be on the 14th of December. It's been 4 years since we started this event in 2010 and we are already in the 5th year, so it's been a long and very nice journey. The only aim of reorganizing this event was to bring as many runners from Goa on the streets and conceptualize long distance running. From 2010, when we had only about 5 Goans, today we are proud to say that there will be close to around 400 Goans who will be actually participating in this event, which will be held on the 14th in various categories, that's the 21 kilometer and 10 kilometer. So it's a great achievement on the part of the Vasco Sports Club. This year, we are expecting about 1,400 participants for the 21 kilometers. Last year we had about 800 or 900, so there's been a quantum jump in terms of half marathon. And we have about 18 countries, so the representation from all parts of the world in this marathon is overwhelming.
Last year's winner, Mr. Daniel Churiot, who actually broke the course record and finished in 1 hour 4 minutes 36 seconds, has also registered. Mr. Kiprono, who won the 2011 edition, he's also registered. The cash prizes are worth about 6 lakhs, and we'll be having a lot of Indian athletes also taking part.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.